With energy domain data, you can track critical activity like wells, rigs, DUCs, and permits in the areas you care about most. This quick walkthrough will teach you how to create AOIs to monitor and analyze the regions that matter to your workflow. You'll also learn how to export these AOIs as shapefiles to use in other tools that support shapefile integration. There are two ways to create an AOI in energy domain data: by uploading a shapefile or by using our map tools. Let's start with creating an AOI using the map tools. First, use the filters in the panel to display the type of wells you're interested in, or simply zoom into the map to display the wells in your area of interest. Once the wells are visible, you'll see the drawing tools. Select from polygon, circle, or rectangle tools. Draw your area of interest by clicking and dragging on the map. After selecting an area, you'll have the option to save it as an AOI or continue drawing. In this case, we'll add another section to our AOI by drawing an additional shape. Now that we've selected all the areas, we can save it as an AOI. Next, give your AOI a unique name so you can easily identify it later. You also have the option to add a buffer radius of up to 10 miles around your AOI to cover nearby activity in the surrounding areas. You'll receive notifications for new wells, rigs, DUCs, or permit activity within your AOI, helping you stay up to date. Once you're done, click Save to finalize your AOI. All your saved AOIs will be available in the AOI panel. From here, you can edit or delete your AOIs. If you'd like to download your shapefile, simply click on the Files tab and select Download to save it to your device. At any point when you select your AOI from the AOI panel, the map will automatically zoom into the AOI and filter the wells in the results table. You can always drag the table from the edge to expand the view and analyze your data more effectively. To dive deeper into the data, click the Analyze button. If your AOI contains more than 50 wells, the Analytics panel will aggregate the production data, giving you a clear overview of key trends. Need to download the production data? Simply click the Download button in the Analytics panel to save the filtered production data to your device. The second way to create an AOI is by uploading a shapefile. To get started, click the Upload Shapefile button in the Filters panel. Drag and drop your shapefile onto the screen, or click to select a file from your device. Once uploaded, you'll be prompted to give your AOI a unique name and the option to add a radius around the AOI. For this example, we'll just save it as is. After saving, all wells within the AOI will appear in the results table. Just like with the AOI created using the map tools, your uploaded AOI will be available in the AOI panel for easy access. From here, you can edit settings, delete the AOI, or use it to filter your data. That's it! You now know how to create AOIs in energy domain data, whether by drawing on the map or uploading shapefiles. These tools empower you to focus on key areas, analyze production data, and receive real-time notifications to make smarter decisions. Start creating your AOIs today and unlock the full potential of energy domain data.